Imagination Camp is an engineering camp for middle schoolers in which pretty much we're trying to incentivize them to learn different engineering concepts. They are building CroQuest right now, which is a gaming console that we designed for them.
We sort of want them to get excited about coding. What we want to teach them is really to solder. They're just soldering the board that we've given them.
And we take care of teaching them like the basics of how circuits work, or like a little basic preview of what we had to go through in order to develop this project. I believe that in everybody's life, at some point, there was this igniter that started somebody's career. They're still learning what they want to do. And a lot of times they have different interests. So the best way that I find for them to kind of start engaging with something is when they try different things.
I hope it creates lasting memories, because I know I've really enjoyed working on this project, so I hope they've also enjoyed it as well.